Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Golden Lab EIEA for MT4 and MT5. Before we dive into that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. The Golden Lab AIEA is a technical analysis focused system with some unique features like optional interest rate integration. So let's break it down honestly. Alright. So as you can see from the MT4 page, the Golden Lab AIEA operates 100% on technical analysis using AI enhanced logic to select high quality setups. It can optionally integrate fundamental elements like deposit interest rates in a special channel rate mode, which you should contact the developer for. The EA emphasizes flexibility with customizable stop loss and take profits, single orders only, and no dangerous methods like greed or martingale. The default risk is kept low at around 2% per trade. As you can see, default SL is only 2%. It aims for fewer but higher quality trades, averaging only 4 to 8 per month. As you can see, by carefully combining technical signals with trends determination. So it's designed for consistency rather than high frequency trading with a focus on both MT4 and MT5 compatibility. Okay, you can see the EA is sold for 1,299 US dollars. So that's basically the info we have here on the MKL5 page. We also provided with a screenshot. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have an equity curve for its performance. You can see how it moves, not really a straight line up, showing that it's also struggled at some points with periods of drawdowns, such as here, here, and here as well. But overall, it kept breaking um, and making higher highs, leading to the general upside movements. You can see we started over here and then we ended all the way over here, showing nice movements and possible nice gains. I also had the opportunity of testing this EA myself. I ran it through my own personal backtest to see if the performance is what the developer claims or pushes it to be. And let's go over to my MT5 now and check out my results. So I carried out the test on XAU USD on the M15 time frame. As you can see, I have the EA installed for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And on a 10K deposit, you can see the EA showed modest activity with a small net loss overall. Okay, you can see the equity curve was relatively stable but lacked strong upward momentum. Drawdowns were controlled, aligning with the low risk approach. So this reflects the selective nature. Fewer trades mean it can have quiet periods or small losses while waiting for the best setups. The 2% default risk helps limit individual trade impacts. So we can see the stats. For the initial deposit of $10,000, we had a total net profit, which was a net loss in this case, of $374. Um, the profit factor was below 1, which is not nice, 0.93, and we had the balance drawdown of 19.98%. Okay, so compared to high frequency EAs, the lower trade counts, you can see we had just 60 trades for the 1 year period. So the lower trade count and technical focus aim for higher quality, but it also means performance can be slow to materialize. The optional fundamental integration could add an edge in rate sensitive markets. Honestly, the features that matter most are the low risk settings, proper pair time frame selection, and patience for the selective strategy. The no grid single order rule is a positive for safety. Right? As for the nuances and implications, low trade frequency can lead to long periods of inactivity. Technical systems can struggle in strong news driven moves. Broker conditions and interest rate changes affect results. In practice, thorough demo testing over multiple months is essential to see how it behaves in different regimes. So, who is it actually for and who should avoid it? This suits patient traders who prefer quality over quantity and appreciate low risk single entry systems. It's good if you want a more selective, technical AI assisted EA. If you want frequent trades, aggressive scalping, or systems that are constantly active, you should probably avoid this EA. Also, beginners may need time to understand the selective approach. So overall, the Golden Lab AIEA offers a thoughtful, low-risk technical approach with flexible options. It has potential for disciplined traders who value safety and quality setups, but like all EEs, it requires realistic expectations, proper setup, and extensive demo testing. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free robot on the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.